So how does a professional sharpener sharpen a pair of beauty shears? Let's go through the steps. It's more involved than you might think. So we have a pair of our rose shears that someone has dropped. We're going to evaluate them first, see if the screw holes, see if the hardware is good, and maybe critique them from the customer. This one, as I said, was dropped. After we've looked at it, then we're going to disassemble it. All the parts are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected using soft microfiber cloths. We begin with doing the inside work on the shears, the ride line, and this is a Japanese waterstone. Professional sharpener will color in the edge in order to see more quickly if they've removed the area that they're trying to make a little smoother, remove nicks, and to remove the problem at the tip where the person dropped it. And evaluating it. You'll often see sharpeners wearing a magnifying visor or using some type of magnifying device. Now the outside edge on the shears is done on a flat hung type system. Might be a machine like this. It may be something more upright like the one in the back here. But either way, you're working on the flat surface of the machine. The abrasive used is a very smooth sandpaper, and it's not like just any kind of sandpaper. This one happens to be ceramic. We set our clamp to set the right angle so that we're following the geometry that the original manufacturers decided on these shears. Because these are Bonika and I'm familiar with them, I know exactly what angle to set these at. Otherwise, we may have to do extra steps to determine what the correct angle is for these shears. Since this is a longer shear, we're working down the whole blade as we roll down, creating that convex shape, which is the engineered design of these shears. Feeling for the burr, which I have that burr, and now repeat with the other blade. The polishing step involves diamonds. This is 1 micron diamond spray, and this gives a nice shine and smoothness to the shears. We're going to adjust it slightly so we're not rounding over our edge. Remember to do both blades. I'm going to remove my burr. And this is important for making the shears quiet and smooth as well as sharp. These have to be reassembled in exactly the right order. So we want to correctly adjust the shears. Open and close. Do they feel good? Now we want to test the cut. We use single ply, very thin tissue paper. It's wet so that the least little flaw in the blade will pull the tissue. It cuts beautifully. And that had a bad thing on the tip, but now that's gone. Let's see how it cuts hair. Beautiful cut. Little oil at the pivot to make them nice and smooth. Double check the adjustment. That's the steps a professional sharpener uses to make your shears cut like new again.